Was it assassinating idea? We have only one and no more. It is a destroy assassin. Say the assassin Emma Chinese for. Share Chinese for. Say no must say assassin because of galamsey. Any mining. Foreign companies are. Assassin baby a mining in ano. Or more for the greater part. Any pollution. Environmental pollution. Do you know the future ramifications? And yet, the indigenous people in those areas, and that's the Ghana as a whole, benefit. Hey, Kakrebi.
Ghana ba kupe, adeshimai Ghana ba kupe, ye wobi wobe piana. Debio.
Yo, for today too is another day. The name is still Francis Aqua. And then so we are coming to you live on something very interesting. Very, very shocking, interesting episode of OGB's agenda to unite Ghanaians both home and abroad. And as well as say, you better know what is happening around the world. And then what we can do to change things. Instead of complaining all the time, instead of casting insinuation and insulting and cursing leaders and blaming people all the time, what could be done or what we can do or what you and I can do together to change our story, to change our history, to change the dynamics in Africa and in Ghana to be specific. And let me per se ufami wasu kakra. Answer na metwa masem so no. Me per se yeko share video kitwe and now this short clip here. Emra very shortly. Na yeba yedi your reaction atwaso. Thank you very much.
Now that is very impressive, and we actually have a live audience right here, plus all the people looking at the live stream. Do you want to give us some tips on what we can do?
Well, you could turn your devices off in the night time and when you're not using them. You could also pick up rubbish from the floor and also not throw rubbish on the floor.
If it makes sense in the first place, yes, absolutely. Is there something else that we can do?
When you cut down trees to get wood, plant them back more often, and you also shouldn't start forest fires.
Now, Joshua, since you mentioned that you're advocating for saving Mother Earth, would you like to share your poem? He actually wrote a little poem about it. So I would go off stage, and the stage is all yours, and you could share that with us. Yeah? Awesome. I'll see you backstage. Go for it.
So my poem is about Mother Earth, and so yeah, hope you guys like it. Mother Earth, she's getting hurt. Why do people keep spitting on the ground? Why do people keep throwing litter all around? I don't like it, not even a bit. And you probably don't like it. Each day she's getting more alert, while we are only getting hurt. Why do people keep doing the wrong things in life, which will cause them lots of strife? I care about our Mother Earth. I don't want to see her hurt. If we will continue to do the wrong things, we will reap the punishment that nature brings. The earth is the only home we know. If we destroy it, we will have nowhere else to go. Mother Earth is alive. We should do everything to make her thrive. If we cause her lots of pain, we have nothing much to gain. When Mother Earth makes a tsunami, she is weeping oceans of tears, the waves of which will just increase our fears. When we mind what's in the earth, she shakes us with big earthquakes to tell us of our big mistakes. When we cut down the trees, Mother Earth gets naked, and soon we have nothing left that's sacred. If we poison the air with fumes and from cars and planes, the forest will go up in lots of flames. Soon we will have no atmosphere, and one day we might just no longer be here. Maybe the cure for all disease is not to do just as we please. Just being nice to one another might just be the key to getting on with each other. Please help take care of Mother Earth, and she will take good care of you. The planet belongs to me and you. We abuse our bodies day and night, with much thought to as our plight. I wish that we will all take stock before nature takes us back. If we fail to take care of that marvelous machine, Mother Nature will charge us with a mortal sin. I hope that you will listen to my plea, as nature will be watching you and me. If we don't save our planet, nothing else that we do is important. Thank you for listening.
Yo, abusuafo, me da se se why aso awutie mi. Wa mo se wo hwe video ya abofra wo kasa we tuntum. Enti we bibini. But the intelligent quotient and answer the IQ ne kutano no. Eso. E chen abofra no each. Woni me se Ghana so ye wo mo from this sir. The last episode answer na ye di we ebe brewo no. Ye chrew abofra bi a odno nkasa when invent solar panel it me charge phone. When to me aye car what the phone o frɛ cell phone no na car no a static car no na e move car no. Abofra bi a otisa wo Ghana no so onya this platform abofra enya ana Joshua enya ya I believe so obey even more than that. I was some away from this say obi what talented is esikafo wo Ghana and as esikafo ye Ghana fo ye wa mana no nyina no we don't see this. OGB we are calling because you want to say we have to have a foresight and a moral conscience together. Kwame Nkrumah bisa won say Kwame Nkrumah AC gold refinery any oil refinery e Ghana abra Ghana na into oil. Until the quarter, everyone can say, and Nkrumah laid ahead of the time. No, sad eti. No, my young share poem here about Frankai. Now you're breaking it down. Now you're related to Ghana. Your name be. When on my Ghana back air qualify. When in summer I was a from time to time. A time must come to put a quit or a stop to the entertainment. I'm not saying or criticizing people who love entertainment. Entertainment is good sometimes. All work and no play make Jack just a dull boy. That is somebody's quote. I'm going to read. Now I want to look on the screen right now. We're going to put up something on the screen. I will read that and then I will explain. Here it comes. Or see, if people continue to do wrong things, we will reap the punishment that nature will bring. If we destroy it, we will have nowhere else to go. Mother Earth is alive. We should do anything to make her thrive. If we cause her lots of pain, we will have nothing much to gain. This is a powerful, powerful statement. Africa and Ghana, we are always, or most of the time, doing the wrong thing. Prefer to trash a group your friend is saying in Sumo stream. And prefer a German I will stream and I river. And to move say, near boss or near Sassiana or Dumankumania and Yankoponia or Bo Adiano. And to when ye near home Piasse or monitor and answer only in charge of natural things and Yamia Bonwana. I don't think so. Do you know why they will go Bruni Chroma? I did be a share some talk a dang and assassin. Ewo a abrutise usidina, Ushadania. A dear will be able to before say, Ube Pruni Ediano. You have to call one more year responsible in charge. I could you to make that. And yes, as I said, who's a gatono, a DS one, a diano, and Mara. And more and then abroach in Nara, Obibiara and Mara. Say ukono no one kono kwan paswa. You will be arrested and the law will deal with you. The question is, do we have these rules in Ghana? Was it assassinating idea yewo? We have only one and no more. It is a destroy assassin. Say the assassin am Chinese for. Chinese for. Say no must say assassin because of Ghana say any mining. Foreign companies are assassin baby a mining in ano or for the greater part. Any pollution, environmental pollution. Do you know the future ramifications? And yet, the indigenous people in those areas, and not say Ghana as a whole, no, benefit. Hey, Kakrebi. Say no man, penny, no big gigasa. What the gold proceed, and I said, Yama, I am in Rasnibi. And baby, Ghana, it is a free SHS and Yamanema, of which I'm not speaking for any political party at this time. I beg your pardon. I was just making a statement. OGB stand is not a political, non-political, non-ethnic, and non-religious. But sometimes, who make a pointer, you have to back it with something. Evidence, clear. So, then we have to recognize because it is the right thing. Why? It is on Mampenibi Basso. No, baby, or no man be ya. I don't know. Casabe Ghana. Any 35 million. You know, baby, America, we almost 300 something million. People and a woman we move. So much me and Emma so be aso. Or what will see a dime and make me a house will be a bed than a Ghana. I was like a come every microphone. Or see, we have to allow Mother Earth to try. Say, I'm not a choir because who will nipa. So be an address or by you. No more when you're funeral. Then I be you will fight for your funeral. It's your assassin who's in the bedroom of the area. Young assassin, it will fight. Tremor, this is Ghana last year. No more than 1 year. Say we too good, and I say what degree assassin here. Sometimes assassin will lay so. Assassin will lay it can. And then I wanted to listen to this one as well. Now just check your screen, and I said you put this statement up on the screen, and I read. When we mine in the earth, she shakes it with what big earthquakes to tell us what of our big mistakes. When we cut down the trees, Mother Earth gets naked, and soon we'll have nothing left that is sacred. If we poison the air with fumes from cars and planes, the forest will go up in lots of flames. Soon we will have no atmosphere, and one day we might just no longer be here. Maybe the cure for all diseases is not to do just as we please. It's being nice to one another might just be the key to getting on with each other. Please help take good care of Mother Earth, and it will take care of you. The planet belongs to you and me. Such a powerful statement. Deforestation. Afforestation. People do things. Now, I don't blame people because the importance of the environment. And then the dangers and the implications of a near that nipa uncomfortable. And a nipa nim all the time. Conscious. Near Mranzwa, from a Yamatisa, and running obedia. I don't think so. And can you continue here? Sometimes it only takes stringent rules and measures. Sometimes it only takes the enforcement of the law. And I'm maybe I or mine. Approach I approach and I am now. Emra and I'm approaching I approach and you be ya. Minion Ghana near Uchi and answer over. So what here and Samia Abufray Air Kenya? I was your fault. Was it your training and you go up? Mother Earth, a bay naked. That's why naked and also on Tiasi. A couldn't be also obey baby. Say a polo to assassin one and some ABCC. Bisa Jose, Hobai Ghana. How many of us and very much aware of the ramifications of our negligence and our inability to keep the assassin and cancer? Because a Ghana assassin, baby, come out with all these kinds of men, master. I was your fault. Assemble pana, Upasi and Kanchro, and son of what to say, the right thing. So, the big Ghana, the battle between moral conscience and thinking or being positive. To know what is right and what is wrong, and not doing what is wrong, and choose to do the right thing. So, man, I don't know. If you may, and last quote. Now, I'm just going to put the last quote on the screen, and then we're going to conclude this episode. Just look on your screen right now. Or say, I wish that we would all take stock before nature takes us back. If we fail to take care of that marvelous machine, Mother Nature will charge us with a mortal sin. If we don't save our planet, nothing else that we do is important. Yes. Because once there's no earth, there's no survivor. Then we are all doomed and we are dead. But my own father said, as I say, yes, there are some other beliefs of some other religious bodies and stuff. I'm not here to talk about that. I'm here to talk about the fact that so long as we live and we remain on this planet, let us do something. We'll go to Dubai. Now we're back. No, we're near. Baby, I said, how the MIA? So, what do you go now? Who go back? What are you know? We're Ghana. I'm going to pictures. I'll be taking it to social media because of baby. Only part of seven no, and I am OGB is calling. Or my Ghana Bakun has come to stay. Ebusian for Mama Yankee Kaya Wumom. Ebusian for Mama Yankee say, or mine, Yang, you bet my yo. OG, this is the simplest and the easiest method. You bet me that fix it. Say to me, they are citizens. So the Omampenia or this one another. I can't say we should be citizens and not spectators, you know, according to his quote. You know. Then it's all implied, say, and you say, but also doing certain things to help our country. Because, say, for mindful, Konongo for, or Bossy for, baby, Bira, our Ghana, Bia for Mua Amanonia, Munim and some other can Munim say, Ebiam penning for to say him for ministers and no name, MPs and A. Maybe movies and Munia, and the Yanaka and Wobom, near the top of my Ghana back now with a one powerful voice. Now you're true petitioner, Ebusian for, and I have a be our Ghana. My Ghana for them say, hey, let me go very near. Ebusian for ever some for you. It will change the mentality of people. As a panchera cemetery, Intino, Sabre, Midubesia, when I'm in Shroud, say why I support a tea and Semui. Go to our website at www.omaganabakuma.org. Thank you very much for listening to us.
It is OGB's humble opinion that we come together as one people to fix what is broken by ourselves instead of always relying on our leaders to do everything for us. This effort will provide lasting solution and eventually eradicate most of our problems. Thanks for watching.
Ghana betu bono